Hello guys and welcome to my very first video. Today I'll be showing you how the print function works and when to use it. Let's begin with creating a script. But first let me clarify something. There are three types of scripts. The first one is the regular script. The second one is the local script, and the third one is the module script. They are very different and I'll explain them in a different video. The only script you need to use for now is the regular one. The script itself greets you with the print function. Let's see what happens when we play test the script. As you can see in the console, the string was printed in the console. You can also check the printed message by typing in chat console or by pressing F9 on your keyboard. Both ways works. Now let's try editing the script. As you can see, instead of hello, world, it says the text we set it to. Okay, we already know how to set a string inside the print function, but what about math? As you can see, num1 is 5 and num2 is 10. We use these symbols plus and asterisk and percent in Roblox Studio to make mathematical equations. In the print function we will get the result of the math equation num1 plus num2. As you can see, the result was printed. Here's the other results when using asterisk and percent. Okay, we are done with math for now. Let's see how we make two separated words into one. Okay, let's see the results. Oh, we've got an error. Why is that? It's probably because I used math symbol and not ... double quotes. So, guys, don't repeat the error I just did. I'll tell you in a moment why it matters what you put for numbers and strings. Why it matters when we put math symbols instead of before strings is because the system thinks these variables are numbers instead of strings, and it tries to add up the numbers instead, putting the first word next to the second word. See, now it works perfectly. But I did forgot to put space between them ... Let me fix that real quick. That's better. Now let's use some advanced methods. For this one I'll use the for loop, which I'll explain in another video what this for is. Let's test the code, but wait, why did it print only once? Whoops, it's because I accidentally put 1 2 times instead of once. I'll fix that real quick. Now it works fine. Do you see how it printed every line the same, except the number got added up by 1. That's because every time the loop runs, the I gets added up by 1. Now let's try another one, but this time it's a Boolean. In this statement we check if something is true or false. If it's true, it'll print the message which is for the true statement. If it's false, it's going to skip the true statement and go to the false statement. We use it to check if, for example, the door is open. If the door is open, it'll print the door is open. Else it'll print the door is not open. As you can see, it works. Now let's see what happens if the bool is false. It prints the false one. Now I'm going to use a little harder mathematical equation and we'll see if the system will give us the correct result. And that's correct. I hope you enjoyed the video so far and learned something about the print function, how to use it, when to use it, and what it could be used for. Have a great day.